How are you, mathematicians? I hope I find you well. I am Mr. Shkun. Welcome to this video lesson where I try, or rather let me say, where I simplify mathematics in a way that you will understand. So the aim of this channel is to try and to eradicate the challenge of numerophobia, or what we call the fear of mathematics in learners. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into our lesson. Today we are going to look at the number line. That's where we are going to begin. We're going to look at the number line. So before we go anyway, let's first start by defining this term, number line. What is a number line? So here with me, I have a very simple definition of a number line. Let's read it together. It says, a number line is a picture of natural numbers and zero. So, what is a natural number? What is a natural number? Maybe you've forgotten, or it's something that you've never heard of. So here I have the definition of a natural number. A natural numbers, these are counting numbers, e.g., for example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, natural numbers are positive numbers, excluding 0. 0 is not a natural number. Remember, counting numbers, when we are counting something, let's say we are counting the number of people, we start at 1, 2, 3, then we count on, right? Now, let me give you an example of a number line, what we call a number line. Here is an example of a number line. It starts from 0, 1, 2, up to 20. These are all natural numbers up to 20. Remember, 0 is not a natural number, but it is included in the number line. So today our task is to use this number line to add and to subtract numbers. We are going to add and subtract using this number line, right? Yes. So the first example that we are going to work together using our number line is a very simple problem that is very common, especially in primary schools. 1 plus 1. I'm sure we all know the answer, and we can all agree that the answer is 2. Now let's try to work out this question using our number line. Here is our number line, right? It says 1 plus 1, so it means we are going to add 1 to 1, right? I hope we are together, guys. On our number line, we can all see that our 1 is here. Then, okay, before we do that, let's do a little labeling. Let's label our number line. Let's call this the positive side, and let's call this the negative side. When we are adding, we are going to move towards the right where the positive sign is. We are going to move towards our right. Remember, this is my right hand. We are going to move towards the right when we are adding. And when we are subtracting, we are going to move towards the left side where I have indicated using this negative sign. We are going to move towards my left. Yes, my left, guys. Remember? Okay. Here we are adding. Here's our question, 1 plus 1. Our 1 is here. We are going to move one step towards the right. Let's move together, guys. 1 step We are now at 2. You see? So, according to our number line, our answer is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 using our number line. Very simple question. Let's attempt another one together. 8 plus 6. I'm sure using a mental calculation you already know the answer, but let's work it together using our number line. So the starting digit here is 8. We're going to start at 8. Then we're going to move 6 steps towards the right or towards the positive direction. Remember, when we are adding, we are going to move towards the right or towards the positive direction where we have indicated using this plus sign here. Let's do that together, mathematicians. Let's do this together. Very simple. Here is our 8, right? We are now at 8. Now, let's move 6 steps towards the right together. Let's do this together. Let's work together, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our 60th step is at 14. Here is our 60th step. So it means 8 plus 6. The answer is 14. Very simple. You simply have to identify the starting digit. Then after that, you have to identify the number of steps that are required to be moved. And this sign here shows the direction that you are going to take, whether in the right direction if we have positive, or in the left side if we have a negative sign there. Let's try another question which is a negative sign in it. Let's use a different pen here. We have 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. Let's use a better pen. This is a bad pen, guys. Right, this is a better pen. 9 minus 6. By mental calculation, we already know our answer. We already know that the answer is 3. I'm sure we can all agree there, mathematicians. Now, let's attempt to work it using our number line. So we have to identify the first digit or the starting digit. We're going to start at 9. Here is 9. On our number line, here is 9. Let's use the upper part of the number line to make our work clear and neat. Here is 9. Let's move 6 steps in the negative direction, 6 steps towards our left. Remember, our left is here where there is a negative sign here. Don't forget that. Be careful there. Here is 9. Now let's move 6 steps in the negative direction towards the left side here. Let's move together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are now at the 60th step. So we can all see that we ended at 3. Now, 9 minus 6, according to our number line, the answer is 3. I'm sure we're still together, guys. Let's try another question for the last time here. 20 subtract 8 here. So we are going to start at 20. Then we are going to move 8 steps in the negative direction, or 8 steps towards my left here. Let's do that together. Here is 20. Let's use let's use this pen. Let's move 8 steps towards the left or towards the negative direction. Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8th step. I'm sure you can still see this, guys. We ended at 12. So we can safely say that 8 minus 20, we get 12. Our answer is 12 using our number line. I'm sure we are still together, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that if this content is interesting to you or helpful, make sure you subscribe to this channel, you share, you comment, you like this video, and see you in the next video. Here is your practice question. I'm going to put a picture of the answers in the next video, which is on negative numbers. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.